because I was a big Govinda fan. And then I used to make it a point to go for each one of his movies first day first show. And my dean took this class of production engineering, and because it was on a Friday, and I used to go for these movies every Friday, 12 to 3. I used to miss the practicals. So at the end of the semester, I had to fall on his feet. I was a ranker. I'm pretty good at least the engineering part of it. So I almost did not give my final year exams because of my movie fanaticism. So when we wanted to start something of our own, that is why we said that we will do something around movie fandom for fans such as you and me, who would want to just say that, hey, I'm the biggest fan of the celebrity that I'm a fan of. So which is why WowTalkies, Wow as in WOW, wonderful. Talkies is a synonym for cinema. That's where the name comes from. We were earlier on Web 2. We are now on Web 3. We've been building on Web 3 for the last 6 or 7 months. What we're going to show you as part of this conversation is the first version of our products that are live. The web marketplace is live on the internet. The mobile apps are live on beta on both the app and Google Play stores. Limited invite only. You could go to WowTalkies.com. Please register for the limited invite. We are sending invitations for people to join from the waitlist to the lucky few, and then as the app goes into mainnet, the ones in the waitlist get to see it first. So yeah, I will take a couple of minutes to project my slide, to project my screen, say as to what WowTalkies is, then I will hand it over to Manshu. Guys, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Wonderful.
It's getting loaded.
Wonderful. So fan engagement in Web3 is what WowTalkies is. As I said, we were in Web 2 for a long time. In Tamil and English, more than 3 lakh downloads, an amount of initial product market fit. And then we moved to Web3. As part of this conversation, I would not be able to delve into why we moved to Web3, but touch base with me. The move to Web3 was a very, very self-explanatory one, and very much needed. So what do? We make fans super fans. How do we do it? People like you and me, we join a community of like-minded fans, and then we interact with the community, interact with the platform, interact as part of the community, earn points. The more points we earn, the more up a leaderboard we get. As we move up the leaderboard, we get more privileges, we get fan badges, we are known as bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and then finally we become super fans. There are incentives and rewards along the way. And as we move up the fan board ladder, we have the chances to interact in real life and in virtual life with celebrities whose fans we are a part of. As part of the same, we collect collectibles, we do NFTs, we do immersive experiences, we also do tech-led utilities. So we are expanding the scope of fan engagement around collectibles with the help of these tech-led utilities. We're going to talk about the tech-led utilities when Himanshu gives the demo. Why are we doing it? We've done it before. We helped build the largest fan engagement platform for football fans. The property was called Dugout, acquired by OneFootball in 2021. Our largest property for football fans across the globe. We've been a part of startup experiences. We've led businesses before. Hopefully, we know what we're doing. We are 3 co-founders, all of us with a background in tech and a couple of us with a background in deep tech, which is why we thought that let's lend utilities to NFTs in a tech-led model. Problems that we are solving as part of what WowTalkies does. As far as fan engagement is concerned, there's no engagement to boot. All of us are audiences. We go to Twitter, we go to Facebook, we look at what celebrities are sending, what they're publishing. But as fans, we're not talking to each other. We're not a part of the fan community. There's no way that we can prove our fandom, our deep belonging to that particular celebrity or to that particular entertainment property as part of the current social media at all. There is no way that I can proclaim to the entire world that I'm a super fan of Akshay Kumar or Govinda or Deepika Padukone, etc. Well, people in my close circle know, but I would want the entire world to know that, hey, I'm a super fan. And that is just not possible in the current mode of fan engagement. From a perspective of entertainers and fan communities, they're leaving a lot of opportunities on the table. The entertainers would love to know as to who the super fans are. They would love to be a part of increasing the fan engagement, engaging with fans, helping them in their fandom journeys. I mean, fans make the celebrities and entertainment properties as to who they are, but there's no way that they can do it in a personalized manner. From a perspective of current internet models, well, the current internet models are one way. They are absolutely unilateral. They're unidirectional. They don't do any rewards incentivizations in a self-incentivization-led manner at all. They don't support decentralized community-led fan journeys, as you can see the point on the slide. So yeah, which is what WowTalkies is. It's a fan engagement platform which is trying to solve the problems on this slide. We are going to show you our initial versions of the product that are live. We are still building the fan leaderboard. We are still building the community pieces. We're still building this mechanism of fans interacting with the community and interacting with the platform and in an engaged-to-earn model to earn points and move up the fan leaderboard. But the tech-led utilities are here. You can see them right as of now. Handing it over to Himanshu. Himanshu leads marketing, community management, and partnerships for us.
Hello, everyone. Just let me know if I'm audible to all of you or not.
Yes, you are.
Okay, cool. So let me, let me start with the mobile app. So let me share my screen first, and then I will also show you the demo of our NFT marketplace. One minute. Okay. Let me know if my mobile screen is visible to everybody or not.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
it is.
Cool. So let me open the WowTalkies application. So as Ritesh mentioned that we are in beta stage. So whatever you will see on the application is in the beta stage. So you will see different features that are there, and I will talk about all the features one by one. So once you log into the application for the first time, you will see the home screen button. So whatever you're seeing as of now is the home screen button. At the top, you will see the point earning method where, so as Ritesh was saying that when you enter into the applications, you will earn point for doing the activities. Okay, so you log in for the first time, you will earn point. Then you are doing some trades, you are creating communities, you are interacting with the communities. Whatever you are doing, like within the ecosystem, if you are doing certain activities, you will be earning certain points. Okay. Once you have earned point, you will be able to see the point at the top. Okay, and then when you click on this point claim button here, you will see so if once you have the point, when you click on the points button here, you will see the claim function. Okay, and that claim function will help you get the airdrops. Like if you have points, you can claim your airdrops as well. So that is also there on the platforms. Okay, so we will be doing different NFTs airdrop over the period of time, so that can be redeemed using your points that you are earning within the ecosystem. Okay, after that you will see the hot trades, like all the trades that are happening on the ecosystems that you will see, and then you will have all the NFT that you own. So if you look at the NFTs that I own as of now, so you will see the NFTs in the bottom, and then you will see the trending collection button. Okay, so these are the four segments that you will see. Point segment, hot trades, your NFTs, and then you will see the trending collections that are there on the platform. The next button is the discover button. In this segment, you will see all the NFTs, and you can also filter out the collection based on your requirement. Okay, so let's say you wanted to look at the NFT that has certain utilities within the ecosystem. You click on NFT without technical utility, you will see the NFT without taglet utilities. Okay, so there is features that are used to filter out the NFTs that you wanted to see. Whether you want to see NFTs that are AR avatar based. Okay, you click on avatar based NFT, you will able to see those NFTs. Okay, so this segment will help you filter out the NFTs which with taglet utility and without taglet utilities. Okay, after that we have wallet button. In the wallet segment, either you can import your wallet that you have which you have already created. It can be MetaMask or any EVM compatible wallet. So you can easily access your wallet by the switch. Click on switch button, and then here you will see the import wallet segment. Click on import wallet, and here you will see two options: import with seed phrase and import with private key. So you can use either seed phrase or private key, and you can import your wallet. Okay, we have also worked on the mobile SDK. So whatever you are seeing over here is this is the Flutter SDK that is developed by us only. Okay, so here you can also create your own wallet. So if you wanted to create your own wallet without instead of importing your wallet, you can also do that. You click on create new wallet, you type your password, a seed phrase, and then you follow the procedure, and you will be able to create your wallet as well. Okay, so that is also possible. So either you can import your wallet or you can create a new wallet using the wallet segment within the application. The next section that you will see is the profile sections, where you will see the different other features, where you will have settings that can be used to enable turn on the theme. Either you want it to be a light theme or dark mode themes, you can do that. Then you have help center, where you will find all the questions that you have, privacy policies, terms of use, and then you have the logout button. So this is the overall UI of the applications that you see. Okay, now let's move to the second piece, that is the tech-led utilities that we are talking about. Okay, so we have different types of tech-led utilities. So first tech-led utilities that we have is called the face swap. So what we are providing, okay, so we are not giving you just a random NFTs, but we are also providing you the NFTs with utilities. Okay, which means that let's say you are a big fan of actor. Let's say you are actor of you are a fan of Shah Rukh Khan, or you are a fan of any other Hollywood actor. You can claim their poster as an NFTs, and then you can also swap your faces with your actor's face. Okay, that can be done. Okay, so you click on you can select the poster you wanted to use for face swap. Click on face swap button, then you click on face swap. So there you will see two options. Either if you have already clicked one image, that you can also use for face swap, or you can click your image at the instant. Okay, that can also be done for the face swap feature. Okay, so I have already clicked one image, so that is in process. As I told that it is still in a beta stage, so we it will take some time. So now it's whatever image you are seeing, it is a face swapped image. If you look at the Shah Rukh Khan image over here, it is face swapped with my image. So that is also, if you look at the quality of image, that is very good. Okay, so now you don't need any extra like you don't need any other software to edit the image. Okay, you can easily go and do within the platform. Okay, that is a very good feature that is there on the app. Okay, now there is another feature that we also have, that is called the AR avatar. Okay, so let's say you have some actors AR avatar. Okay, let's say you are a fan of Shaktiman, you can also have that AR avatar minted as an NFT, and then you can use your AR avatar and place it anywhere you want. Okay, so let's say you click on AR avatar button, you can click on the you can select the place where you wanted to place your avatar, and that can be done. Okay, so here you are able to see your avatar placing at the my bed, so that can be done. Okay, so this is also one good feature of the NFTs. Okay, so now if you have an NFT which has a AR avatar utilities, you can place it anywhere, like on your bed, on your wall, anywhere. So that it is up to you, like how you wanted to use those utilities. Okay, the third utilities that is there is called AR filter. So you can also use the AR filter. So let's say you have one piece of NFTs. Okay, let's say you have a face mask. Okay, and then you wanted to use that face mask on yourself. That can be done. So this is again you are having an NFTs that can be used as a face mask. Okay, that is also that is also utilities on the platform. Okay, this is called the face filter utilities that we have. Okay, the last utilities that we have is called AR background. So let's say you are sitting in a Zoom meeting or any other Google Meet. If you wanted to change the background of your during the meet, that can be done. Okay, so if you wanted to showcase your cool NFTs in the background, that you can also do. So if you look at my background, it has changed. Okay, so it is the Kapil Sharma. So if you are watching that, that is the background that you are see on the screen. Okay, so that is also one good possibilities that we have. Okay, we don't have the NFT marketplace in within the platform as of now, but we will try to do that as well. For now, if you wanted to mint NFTs, you have to go to our web marketplace, and from there you have to mint the NFTs. So now I'm going to show you the minting process, how it will work. Okay, so if you click on buy on web, so it will take you the nft.wowtalkies.com. That is a main website. Let me use my laptop now for this so that I can show you in a better way in a full screen. So let me just log out from here and come to my laptop screen. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, just let me know once you are able to see my laptop screen. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, cool. So if you go, so this is the NFT test.wowtalkies. So it is a testing website. So you can also use that if you want. For that, you just need Polygon Mumbai testnet, and you can use this website. This is the NFT marketplace on web. What you have to do, you can click on connect wallet button. You can select your wallet, and then it will ask for the transaction approval. You approve your transaction, it will be connected. Okay. If you're signing in for the first time, or if you're using the platform for the first time, you will be asked to sign in. Okay, you click on sign in, and here you will see the two options. Either you can register new account, or you can sign in with your email. Okay, so if you're new user, you can click on register new account, and here you will fill your details, which include your first name, last name, email, mobile number, password, confirm password, and you are done. Okay. People who have already created their account, they can click on login, and they can type their details. Let me do that for me. Okay, and it will load, and then you are connected. Okay. Once you're signed in, you can click on my account, and you will be able to see your account over here. Okay, again, we have a KYC process over here. It is mandatory for the people who is from India, and outside India there is no requirement of doing the KYC, like you're submitting your documents. Okay, so if you are not from India, the KYC will not be required. But if you're from India, the KYC will be required, and you have to submit your Aadhaar card or PAN card for doing the KYC process. Again, it is for the government norms that we have. Here you will see your email that you have used, your wallet address, and then your KYC status. Okay, and here you will see all the NFTs that you have collected on this particular chain. Once you click on marketplace, it will take you the front. This is the main page. Here you will see all the NFTs that are there. If you click on explore collections, you will see different types of collections available here. We have GIFs, AR avatar, face swap, face filter, our latest movie, the collection that we have released. So this is one collection that we have released by partnering with a Gujarati movie called Lakiro. Then we have latest movies, posters, AR filters, and then you have rental NFTs. Okay, so we also have a renting and lending facilities where you can also rent and lend your NFTs to other people for experiencing all the tech-led utilities that you are using. Okay, so let's say if you wanted to mint the NFT for the first time, you select the collections, click on collection, select the image that you wanted to mint. Let's say I want to mint this. I click on buy now. I will select the number of quantity, and then I click on mint now button. It will again ask for the approval. Let me approve it. Confirm. It will take some time, and your minting is done. So this is how you can mint the NFTs on the NFT marketplace. Okay. So for the to use all the technical utilities, you have to come to on the on the web version of the marketplace to mint the NFTs, and then only you can able to use them on the mobile, because we don't have renting and lending this minting of NFTs as of now from the web mobile app directly as of now. So this is all about the different product that we have. It's just let me know if you have any doubts on anything. We will be more than happy to answer your doubts.
I would request, if you have doubts, kindly raise your hands so that we can proceed with one by one clarification of the doubts. Otherwise, you can always post your doubts on the chat.
Cool. Also, let me share the test version of the NFT marketplace. You can, if you wanted to try that out, you can try that out. You will need a Mumbai testnet for that, and then you can claim the testnet token from Mumbai faucet. So that can be done, and then you can able to mint the NFT and see. And also, please try the product and let us know your feedbacks. We are open to feedbacks as well. So we are giving some private betas of the applications to the users as well as of now.
Any questions from your side?
Yeah, guys, go ahead if you have any questions for WowTalkies. Right, this is a very interesting, way and product, I would say. Looking at what's we are all thinking about Web2, they've been having years of expertise and experience in serving a large scale movie industries. But taking the NFT route, NFT and Web3 is a very interesting. And if we all are curious of some decisions they might have made, such as technology, challenges, anything that comes to your mind, feel free to learn from such sessions, because it's very difficult to then pick their brain. If they are not here, if they are not asking, it's very difficult for you to figure out later on, because they'll be busy in building their product. So feel free to use the message channel or raise your hand. Vardit is going to bring you in and let you ask questions, or you feel free to write on the chat and on the message channel. We will able to read that and ask the question for you. I see somebody, right? Aspirit has a question. Royalty of miner would get, or NFT royalty would NFT miner?
No, so Ashdeep, I think you're talking about the creator. Royalties are mainly for the creator, not for the minter. Yeah. Royalties are enforced by third-party platforms as well as our own platform. You need to write earlier. So for each platform, you need to embed it in your code to figure out as to so that the platform can basically ensure that the royalties are given. We firmly believe that royalties should be there. So we don't do secondary sales as of now. We only do primary sales. In the primary sales, there are no royalties. We are launching an NFT collection sometime in the month of May, where there will be creator royalties of somewhere around 6%. And that would be enforced on Ethereum-related marketplaces such as OpenSea. Blur has something that says that de facto they were not going to charge royalties for a while. There need to be some permutation combination that need to be done in the smart contract. The technical guys will be able to answer it better. But yes, depending upon who the creator is, the royalties will be enforced. And we will have to work with whoever the secondary sale is at to be able to enforce the royalties. Aditya, can you please elaborate use cases of NFTs for a normal user? So Aditya, you and me are fans. Assuming that we're Akshay Kumar fans, yeah. So we will join an Akshay Kumar fan community, and then we will be asked as to what was Akshay Kumar's first movie, who was his first heroine, and who was his first director. We will engage with the community in a WhatsApp kind of a manner. Primarily, what we do as part of our friends and family communities, right? Everything happens on a Sunday. We can't look away from our screen. And as we engage, we will earn points. Now, assuming that I started from level 0, I moved to level 2. At level 3, if I need to move to level 3, and level 3 has some privileges, which is when I'll be asked whether I hold any NFT of Akshay Kumar at all. Primarily the use case of a person needing an NFT is to move up the leaderboard. A person would also take that NFT to be able to rent and lend it. So for instance, I take that NFT, I reach a bronze level, but Santosh is still starting, so I can rent it to him so that he can also reach the bronze level without purchasing the NFT. I can always sell it in the secondary market. I can hold it, in which case the more I hold it, the easier it will be for me to move up the further levels on the fan leaderboard. And maybe if Akshay Kumar launches another set of NFTs, then in which case the fact that I have this one allows me to basically be on the whitelist/waitlist for this premium collection that might launch later. So those are the various use cases of the NFTs. Soul-bound NFT can we create? Ashpreet, a soul-bound NFT is a dynamic NFT. Yeah. Here in the platform, your profile will be a soul-bound NFT. Because your profile will change over a period of time depending upon what you're doing as part of your journey. The permutations and combinations that you're doing as part of the tech utilities are for you to personalize the NFTs, not to make it dynamic. So we are personalizing. So Santosh is personalizing it in his manner. You, Ashpreet, is personalizing it in your manner. I'm doing my bit. We are sharing it out into social media, etc. If we own the intellectual property of the NFT that we personalize, you can also sell it. But it will still be one unique NFT which has been customized by you. It will not be a dynamic NFT, but your profile will be a soul-bound. Okay, Ashik Abdul Rahman. Nice product team. Wanted to check how do you plan to crack the engagement layer for fans, and could you share some insights and challenges faced to onboard movie houses to use the product? Well, the biggest challenge in the Indian market is that ever since the last budget, people look at crypto and anything related to crypto with a very suspicious bent of mind. That's the biggest challenge that we faced. For example, we would have launched with a big Bollywood celebrity last October, but then there was something that Madam Finance Minister said, which had the celebrity develop cold feet, and we were never able to launch. So that's the first part of your question. Celebrities have a limited amount of time. They want to monetize their time from a perspective of the best that they can do. Something that is for them circumspect, etc. They would want to stay away from it. It also does not help matters that the market has been down as far as uptake is concerned for the last year. So celebrities are in a wait and watch mode. How do you want to plan to crack the engagement layer? So guys, this is the community-led thing. So I joined this community, say we are 18 of us, right? And Ashik, I'm responding to you because you put up a question, which is the difference between me purchasing something on Amazon and doing something on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is continuous, perennial. FOMO. Amazon, as in the commerce site, does not have a FOMO at all. You go to Amazon when you need something. So which is how the engagement level, the engagement problem will be cracked. The community will build the network. You and me, we will have stored value because we've done something as part of our initial foray in the community. And because the community will run the network, all of us will have stored value. We will compete with each other to move up the fan leaderboard, which is how the engagement problem should be cracked. So yes. Yes, Aditya, the answer is yes.
For the iOS app, I guess we are planning to release in this coming quarter, I guess. So we will be having the iOS app soon.
Yes, the iOS app should go into beta in the next 1 week before the end of this quarter.
Super.
Great.
Any
So
other
I guess,
questions?
yep. I
Yeah,
hope
guys.
everybody's loved the event today, and just love to see your reactions for the same. And do help us show your support for WowTalkies and tweet. You can tweet this message which I'm sending, and on your social media handles, and reach out to WowTalkies for any kind of events or NFTs you will be interested in. Also, if you take out a minute or two and spare a few minutes of your time to fill this feedback form, which would help us improve our sessions in the future, that will be really helpful.
Super. Great session with this Himanshu and team, and thanks to each of you for joining this and learning. As they say, Web3 is new, and everything that we are doing here, absolutely adding value to each of us to learn, iterate, and improve. So thankful to each of you for joining this session. We host this every second and fourth Thursday of every month. So as Vardit shared the form, please feel free to recommend any other startups that you think we should bring in. We would try to bring them in on the LSWT and help you to learn more, both from technology choices, decisions around businesses, and many other aspects that's not easy, right? And this is the reason why we host this, because many a times people outside in the world, or mainly on the Twitter, people say, show me an example, right? We have dozens of examples. People are building incredible products, and here is one by WowTalkies. Thank you so much, Ritesh and Ivanshu. And guys, it was a pleasure presenting you here. Thanks for my colleague Vardit for coordinating this. See you soon again in another LSWT. Thank you so much.
Cheers. Thanks for everybody
Very,
who was able to
yep.
join. And thanks, Santosh and Vardit, for organizing this. This is brilliant. Thank you.
Very insightful session. Thank you
Cheers.
everyone for joining.
Thank you.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
Sunday. Have a good Thursday.